Costello's whacked, all right? I got boxes of tapes, evidence, other documents proving it.
Maybe you do. But right now I need you to drop the weapon.
I told you I have evidence cold linking this prick to Costello, all right?
Did you shoot this fucking prick?
You know who I am. You know who I am. I'm taking him down. I'm taking him downstairs now. You know who I am.
I can't wait to see you explain this to a fucking Suffolk County jury, you fucking cocksucker. This is gonna be fucking fun. Just fucking kill me. Just fucking kill me.
I am killing you.
Did you think you were the only one he had on the inside? Costello was gonna sell us to the FBI. It's you and me now, you understand? We gotta take care of each other, you understand?